friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I currently upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday with bonus uploads in between. I also have 2 other channels if you're interested. I have a vlog channel, which I know I keep saying I'm going to upload, but I promise you friends, there is a new upload this week. I think it was when I went back to the East Coast. It's a little sad for a funeral, but then it was also fun too. It was my first ever funeral. Tangent. New vlog coming up soon if you're interested in vlog channels and you like that stuff. Also have a reselling channel. So one of my part-time jobs is I resell clothing, shoes, handbags, accessories on Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark. I've actually been a reseller for 10 years, so I have a lot to share. So those 2 channels are listed down below. Let's talk Ipsy. I know I just said in my most recent Ipsy video, I'm kind of over these Ipsy videos, and then I got my Ipsy email telling me what's in my Glam Bag Ultimate, and I was like, I want to film it. So I don't really think I'm over it. I don't watch them anymore, but I love filming them for you guys and hearing what you guys have to say. So if you're new around here, I do this every month. I do multiple subscription box unboxing videos. So subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you love subscription boxes. I used to be a subscription botic. I've been in my house for 2 months. I don't go anywhere. I just cut out half of my hair, taking out my weave, extensions, sew-in, whatever. So Diana's back. By the way, Diana's an Amazon wig. I always link it down below when I have it on. I'm losing my mind in my house, so I can't speak. I used to be a subscription box addict. I used to get 10 every month that I paid for with my own money. I'm now down to 1 Ipsy. So I'll put everything on the screen right here. I'm gonna click show me. I'm excited because Ipsy Ultimate, well, I think all the Ipsys now, you can choose one product to go in your bag and they build around that. And this time I chose a makeup product. So if you've seen the other videos, you know I'm over the skincare. So, ooh, the bag is really cute. I love their bags are hit or miss for me. The Ultimate, which is $50 a month, you get a makeup bag. I usually either love them or I'm just like, I'll use this as a poop bag for Coco. This is cute. So it's like pink and gradient to yellow. I think it's perfect for spring and summer. Oh, it says here, get the glam bag. So you can get the glam bag, the normal one, 5 deluxe samples every month for $12. Remember when it used to be 10? I keep saying I'm gonna sign up for all 3 and then I get this Ultimate and I'm like, Okay, first up, Lasting Smiles Peach Blossom Lip Balm. I love getting lip balms, lip products. I love trying new lip balms. I've never heard of this brand, but I love having moisturized SPF protected lips. So I'll give that a try. Pixi by Petra. I've tried a lot of their products and for some reason I just don't usually vibe with them. I don't know why. I tried them years ago when Tati recommended it was like a brow product. I hated it. It didn't show up on my brows. It was so powdery. And then I tried a couple other things. I just haven't been a big fan, but I'll give this a try. No, actually I won't. It's a fresh face blush in beach something. I can't see the rest of the name. I don't like very light colored blushes. They just become non-existent on my skin. This is a neon pink blush that I have on my face and I feel like it just looks neutral. I think my natural oils just wash out my face, wash out a lot of color on my face. So I like vibrant, bright blushes, so I'll probably pass that on to someone. There's a Verb Hydrating Mask. I can't tell if that's for the face or the hair. Isn't Verb hair care? I don't know. I can't see, the photo's too small. I've heard good things about Verb though. Ciate London. I like their eyeliners a lot. The only reason I know I like their eyeliners a lot is because Ipsy sends me their eyeliners. I've been getting Ipsy for about 5 years, and I think they've had to have sent me at least 50 Ciate London. Dang, I just spit. Calm down, Nikki. You guys have to realize, first of all, I go off on tangents, so I hope you have a snack. I've been staying in my house for 2 months. I literally only talk to people on the phone. The only people I've seen in real life, other than like neighbors when I walk my dog, like people I know, are my mom and my boyfriend. And when I talk to them, I talk a lot. My boyfriend the other day was like, babe, breathe, breathe. He's like, you're talking really loud? And are you like breathing? Because, I mean, you haven't stopped talking for like 10 minutes, you guys. So when I film, you guys are like my friends. And even though I'm just talking to a camera, I just feel like I'm hanging out with friends. So I talk a lot, but Ciate London, how did I get to that? Oh, because I spit all over the place. Ciate London, I really like their liners. SKONE Cosmetics, I think Ipsy or BoxyCharm has sent me this brand. And this is the Insanely Intense Tattooed Another Liner. I like liners. I use eyeliner almost every day. That's funny that I say that. Today's the one day I don't have eyeliner on. I just wanted to try it out. I don't like doing false lashes without liner, but I wanted to try it today just to see how skilled I was at getting the false lash into the lash line. I think I did pretty good. Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow in Intense Something. It's really pretty. It's a purple color. Purple's my favorite color. Ipsy sent this brand before and I liked it, so that's good. Hey, so far we're off to a good start. I'm getting more makeup. So lesson learned, if you want more makeup, when you choose the one item for them to build around your box, choose makeup. Took me like 6 months to learn that. Way of Will hand and body lotion. Again, I love getting all hand and body lotions, especially from brands I don't know. This is one of the reasons I tell you guys all the time. I love subscription boxes because it introduces me to brands I didn't even know existed. I didn't know about Space Case Cosmetics. I've never heard of Lasting Smiles, so I'll try that. I love having it. I put hand lotions in my car, in my purse. I have them everywhere. I don't know how to say this brand. Jejuin? It's Jejuen. Aloe Gel Sleeping Mask. I could see that being very hydrating. I'll actually try that. Another brand, no clue how to pronounce it. I've seen it before though. It's NIU, New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. I like lip polishes too. Anything to exfoliate the lips, hydrate the lips, I love them. Oh God. Allergies. Hold on. Sorry guys. Right now is one of the most horrific times I told you guys to have seasonal allergies. I mentioned this in another video. If you sneeze in public right now, first of all, sneezing into your face mask is an awful experience. Try not to sneeze or burp in your face mask. But if you do, people literally look at you like you are freaking Freddy Krueger or something. It's funny. It's funny, but it's not funny, and I get it. Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. I've been sent this, and then I just pass it on. I often give it away because, I mean, I have 3 mascaras open right now, and like 4 that I need to get to, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys really like that. This is a brand that Ipsy sent last month. It's Ciela? C-E-L-A Creme de la Creme. I think it's a lotion. The last one they sent was like a scrub, and I really like it, but it's very oily. It smells very citrusy and apricot-y. It was in the last unboxing. It's in my shower. I don't really know if you're supposed to use that on your body, but it's too oily for me to put on my face. So I've been enjoying it though. Ooh, First Aid Beauty. I don't get this very much. Wow, this box seems like it has a lot of stuff. Although the Ultimate usually does. First Aid Beauty, Fab Pharma Arnica Relief. I think this is a mask. I've tried this before. I did a full video on First Aid Beauty reviewing, I don't want to say all of their products, but a good portion of their line. If you want to see that, I'll link it down below. I think Ipsy sent me this last month. It's the Marc Anthony Extra Virgin Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. Didn't they send this to me last month? They sent me something from Marc Anthony. I can't remember what it was. Catherine Melandrino. They send this perfume like tester a lot, and I really like it. It's called Special Moments, so I will be using that. I love getting perfume in subscription boxes. Goldfaden MD Wake Up Call Overnight. I think this is a mask or something skincare. They sent Goldfaden before. I still haven't tried it from the last one. It was a thing in the green box. I still have to give that a try. This seems like there's a lot of stuff in this box. Oh my God, you guys. I think I'm just looking at stuff from the, oh my God. This isn't my bag. This is just stuff that's on the main homepage. Look, I keep scrolling and the products aren't stopping. I'm like, holy shit, I'm getting like 100 items in my box. And I'm like, this can't be right. And it's like different products and I'm like, oh, I'm not logged in. Please hold. I don't even know if I'm going to put that in the video. Well, maybe I will. Because that way you get to see like different... You guys, I'm losing my mind. Legitimately losing my mind. I've got to get out of the house. Flip's sake, Nicole. Are you going to show me what's in my bag? Okay. Yeah, I really screwed up. I don't even know if I'm going to leave that in the video. Let me speed through this. Okay, so my actual ultimate bag looks different than what I just mentioned. It's not as cute. It's like a burgundy to a puke yellow color. The normal glam bag is actually cuter in my opinion, but okay. Let's speed through this because your girl has lost her mind. First up, we have a She Was an Anomaly perfume. I love getting perfumes and glam bags. This is the stuff that's actually in my bag now. Derma Medicine Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer. That is one thing I don't like getting from brands I don't know or haven't tried, just because I told you I'm a skincare snob. But I gotta get over that because there could be like holy grail products out there that I'm missing out on. I'm sure there are. Oh, I will try this. Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I love a good charcoal mask. If you have oily skin, acne prone skin, large pores, charcoal masks are great. Oh, Sunday Riley. This is expensive. I've used this before. I like it. CEO cleansing oil. I was a huge fan of Sunday Riley until they had that whole debacle about their employees writing fake reviews online for them. Looks like we have some sheet masks. I think this is a K-Beauty brand. I'm not even going to try to say the name. In Beauty Project Lip Oil and Candy Apple. Brand I've never heard of. This is the item that I picked. They send the items that you can choose from. Smashbox Cosmetics Cover Shot Eye Palette in Ablaze. Oh, I saw this in one of the items I could choose. The Saint Tropica Beach Goddess Hot Oil Hair Mask. And then there's a nail polish from Sundays. Oh, there's a hairbrush. I've never ever received a hairbrush in a subscription box. I'm here for it. It's a detangling brush from Foxy Bay. Oh, good. I am getting that lotion, Way of Will. It's in Sweet Orange and Elemi. And then from Sugar Rush, their liquid lipstick and sprinkle. Okay. That makes more sense. Okay, so sorry about that. Your friend is losing her mind over here. But that's that's like 40 of the products you could possibly get in your Ipsy bag. Just thought I'd share that. I knew something was wrong. So how are you guys doing? I just like to chat and catch up with you at the end of the videos. How are you doing? Are you back to work? Are you not? I think I told you guys this. When this started, went 100% telecommuting. Thank God I'm lucky enough to have kept my full-time job. I have a full-time corporate 9-to-5 job, so I'm 100% working from home. Yeah, I already told you I'm moving soon, so everything that is like behind the camera kind of looks like a tornado right now. I have a lot of my inventory from my reselling business and my apartment right now because I'm getting rid of my storage unit. I had a lot of travel planned, but I don't know what, I don't even know when LA is going to open up. The governor of California said that he's going to start easing restrictions for the state, but then the mayor of LA was like, hold up. Did I just make that sound? I did. He just said, don't get too excited. We're the epicenter. We ain't opening up for a while. So I'm like, man, I miss thrifting so much. If you guys didn't know, I love thrifting. Well, if you watch the reselling channel, you know that. I'm actually having something with coffee in it. It's disgusting. It's an ice blended. It's a vanilla ice blended, half the powder with oat milk. They charge an extra $1 for oat milk. I can't stand coffee, but my days are very long. I wake up at 5, usually go to bed between like 10 and 2. So yeah, I've had this for 3 days. Like this is how long it takes me to drink coffee. Most people can drink this in an hour or less. I've been sipping on this for 3 days, which I don't even know if that's good for you. I think it's okay because I don't get dairy milk, but maybe even the powder that they put in there. I do refrigerate it, but any of you want to educate me on that? So I'll like drink 1/5 of it, put it in the fridge or the freezer. drink another, you know, one fit. Like, it literally takes me days to drink a coffee drink. My doctor asked me recently, he's like, how much coffee do you drink? I'm like, maybe half a cup a week or a cup. I said like a cup a week. He was like, what? How do you survive? He said he drinks 3 cups a day. I'm like, tea all the way, baby. All right, friends, I'm rambling. Subscribe to the vlog channel for fun vlogs coming up. I will see you soon. I'm not over doing Ipsy videos. I thought I was, and then I got that email, and the first thing I wanted to do was put on a bunch of makeup and film what I got in my bag. So that tells me I still enjoy doing it. Yeah. I think I was just tired that day. I don't know. It is true though, I don't watch them anymore. I just don't find them as interesting, but I do still like filming them. It's interesting how your taste just changes on YouTube. So, all right, friends, I'm just blabbing. I will see you soon. I'll see you Thursday. You can check out my most recent video right here.